Hello and welcome to your online coaching program entitled Learning to Learn English, apprendre à apprendre l'anglais. La différence entre le past tense et le past perfect tense, nous réglons ce problème définitivement. Soyez attentifs and listen to me attentively. The difference between the simple past and the past perfect tense. Let us talk about the simple past tense. First of all, I would like to tell you that there are two categories of verbs when we are dealing with the simple past tense. We have the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. As far as the irregular verbs are concerned, they don't have a fixed form. But let me tell you that you use the past tense to talk about actions that happened and ended in the past. You use the past tense to describe past action. That is, actions that took place in the past and that are completely finished and ended. That completely ended at the moment we are talking. For example, if you want to tell us about what happened a week before, you use the past tense. You can say, for example, that last year I went to Douala. Last week I went to the supermarket. Yesterday I went to my uncle's house. So when you want to talk about actions that happened and ended, you use the simple past tense. And for the structure, as I was saying, you have two categories of verbs. You have the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. For regular verbs, you use D or ED to form their past tense. For example, the verb to move, you add D to form it past tense because the E is already there. For the verb to look, you add ed to form it past participle. For irregular verbs, they change. The form varies and you just need to memorize them. For example, the verb to eat, the past tense is ate, and the past tense of the verb to buy is bought. Cut, put, etc. So the past tense of irregular verbs varies a lot. Let us move to the past perfect tense. You use the past perfect tense to describe or to show the sequence of two past actions. Two past actions indicating the earlier action. That is, when two actions take place in the past, the first action to occur is in the past perfect tense and the second one is in the simple past tense. So the first action to occur is in the past perfect tense and the second one is in the past tense. This is the structure of the past perfect tense: had plus past participle. For example, he had taken his pen when he came. Had plus pp. The past participle of the verb to take is taken. Let us make a clear-cut difference between simple past tense and past perfect tense. La différence entre le past tense et le past perfect tense.